Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are continuing on with our stock screener, part 6. So, alright, here's our main layout, but we want to test all of the ticker symbols. So let's just go ahead and bring this in. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. We break them down one at a time and build upon them. And probably the reason why I love that so much is because that is one of the subscribers' ways to describe it. So we have a pretty large growing community, especially over on Discord. So if you are learning Python alone, go ahead and join the server, and you will not be. We have usually somebody on over there answering questions all the time. So, all right, if you haven't seen before, this is also this file is on my GitHub, so you can go and grab it and pull it down. Let's see, company list. It's saying, what is it saying? I'm not using it. Oh, all right. I need to bring in, import Pandas as PD. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this spreadsheet, and then what I want to do is I want to then grab only these symbols. So we're going to do this too. Symbols. If I can spell today. But I hope everybody is doing well. All right, so then in that file, there is a column named symbol, and we're just going to grab that. And then what we're going to do is I only want the values of that, and then I want that put into a list. So we are covering a lot of things right now that Pandas can do for us. So I'm grabbing this, and then I don't want this put into a Pandas series. I only want the values, and then I only want that to be put into a list, and it's going to be assigned then to symbols. So, all right, so now I have where I'm going. Now let's throw in all of this right here. All right. Now, we ran into a problem last time where I had expressed that there is a problem where we can only screen 500 at a time. I've learned, I don't know exactly what the number is, but I know 500 works, so we are just going to do that. So now we need to do this in a loop, and we've done this loop before. So while, also, let me get this around. So we need our starting point equals 0. Our end equals 500. So, So while, now there was also a flaw in the way in which I did this. We could do this one more time outside the loop and print, but we're going to use this while start is less than, and we also need to do len of, no, we don't have it, len of symbols. Because what we're doing is here's our list of symbols, and we're going to then iterate through these 500 at a time. So as long as start is less than the end, we're going to do this one more time. So let's bring this all over. And then now we're going to make a new one right here, tickers, because this is going to change. So then we're going to symbols, then our start through stop, or excuse me, end, and we're going to change this right here to tickers. All right, then when we get done, we need to then increment up. Start is going to be now end, and then end is going to be 500 larger than before. All right, let's do that again. So I know I've just changed a lot. So we brought in our symbols. This is all of the symbols of all of the NASDAQ and all of the NYSE. It's going to be 5,456. All right, so we also know that there is a problem where this API will only, well, it will at least, I don't know only, it will at least search for 500 at a time. So now we're going to check 500 at a time, and this is how we're going to do it. We're going to go through, now I think we're about at a good stopping point right here, and we'll pick up on this next video because I know I just dumped a lot on you. So, but right here we're going to iterate through, and the reason why we chose start is so we don't have to do a loop, because if we did end right here, we would then have to do this one more time outside of this, and I don't want you to have code here. I remember the first time I tried this, I had code here and then code here. It was the same code but accomplishing the same task. So then it dawned on me I could just change start from end, because you can have your endpoint be larger than what are the choices. You just can't have the start be out of index. All right, I'll say that one more time. You can have your end out of index range, it won't care, but you cannot have your start be out of index range. So there is a nice little tidbit. So there we go, guys. I think this is a great stopping point and very important. Make sure you're staying tuned until the end to check these videos out. 821 today's video, which I am absolutely blown away by, and we're approaching 5,500. Can't believe it. The amount of individuals on Discord, can't believe it. Just can't say thank you enough. You guys are amazing. There's some key players. I hope they know how grateful I am for them. We'll be back on stream next Tuesday. Had some unfun family stuff had to deal with, but that's life. But thank you guys very much for watching. Click subscribe, share with somebody. We're not alone in this together. All right. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.